Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. In for today's video is we have this Canon Pixma G3010 printer. And this unit is having a broken line printout problem. Let me first test print the unit to show you the actual printout issue. So here is the actual printout issue. On its printout, we found a horizontal misalignment as we seen on its box printout. And then also it has a vertical white line on left side part of the printout document. Probably this printout issue occurs due to dirt encoder disk and encoder strip. So in order to fix and resolve this vertical broken white line and horizontal text alignment printout problem, just follow me in these few steps. Step 1. Press the power button to turn off your printer. After printer is completely turned off, unlaid paper on its paper tray. Then, lift the scanner lid. And now, we are going to check and clean the carriage encoder strip to clear and remove the ink stain or dirt that might cause the vertical white line printout problem. On cleaning your printer carriage encoder strip, you may use only a tissue and water. Avoid using strong cleaning solutions. It may cause damage on your printer's carriage encoder strip. Then close the scanner lid. Then, next step is unplug the printer's power cord and USB cable. Then remove the 2 screws at the back of your printer to remove the printer's back cover. Then we may now remove the printer's back cover. Then again lift the scanner lid and remove the printer side cover to access the PF encoder disk. Then we may now clean also the PF encoder disk using a tissue and water in order to fix the horizontal misalignment printout problem. You can remove the PF encoder disk from the FP encoder gear to easily clean the PF encoder disk. Then reattach properly the PF encoder disk to the PF encoder gear. And reattach the printer's side cover. Then next is reattach the printer's back cover. and then secure the 2 screws of your printer's back cover. Then plug the power cord and USB cable. Load a paper on its paper tray. Then press the power button to turn on the printer, and let's run a test print to check its printout quality. So now let me check its printout quality. So as we can see here, we have now a good quality printout, and the horizontal misalignment and vertical white line problem is gone. So let me compare now the printout results before cleaning the carriage encoder strip and PF encoder disk. So before, we saw this horizontal misalignment problem and this vertical white line printout, but after cleaning the carriage encoder strip and PF encoder disk, this now the printout quality result, the issue is successfully resolved. And that's how simple it is to fix and resolve the broken white line or misalignment printout problem by just cleaning the carriage encoder strip and PF encoder disk of this Canon Pixma G3010 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.